इमरान का वीडियो ऑडियो दोनों बंद है.
एक सेकंड.
He's there, but
FD has started.
Namaste and good evening, everyone. I am Jyoti Prakash, co-founder Visol Renewable Energy Solutions, your green energy partner. Friends, as you all know that we at Visol are in a mission to make India Atmanirbhar with solar energy. Many of us must be aware that India is leading in the solar revolution with International Solar Alliance. As a country, we have set an ambitious target of achieving 100 gigawatt of solar energy by the year 2022, and we intend to enhance this further by 250 gigawatt by 2030. Our Prime Minister, he recently inaugurated a 750 megawatt solar power plant in Rewa, which is one of the largest in the recent times. And the Indian Railway intends to go completely on renewable energy by 2030. And the only reason for this is, as our Prime Minister says, Saur Urja sure hai, pure hai, or secure hai. On that note, we are starting a new series of Solar Pioneer Talks where we will be interacting to some of the visionary and path-breaking citizens who have been the flag bearers to adopt this technology and save not just the environment and contribute to the society, but yes, also save a lot of money. We call them the Solar Pioneers. So let us meet our Solar Pioneer for today. We welcome Mr. Ravi Shinde. Ravi Shinde ji, good evening and namaste.
Good evening. Good evening.
Mr. Ravi Shinde, he is the proprietor of Ravi Automobiles and president of Petrol Pump Dealer Association, Mumbai. He is a mechanical engineer. He was a gold medalist in automobile engineering from VJTI. He has a varied work experience in India and abroad in automobile-related field. In 1982, he started his Indian Oil dealership as a first-generation business venture. Starting from ground zero, today his fuel outlet is listed as one of the highest-selling petrol stations in Mumbai, along with the fact that he manages a Maruti authorized service station along with the accident management facility. He served as the president of Petrol Pump Dealers Association, Mumbai, for over 18 years. His effort to curb the fuel adulteration is notable during his tenure. Both Mr. Ravi Shinde and his wife and business partner, Miss Vandana Shinde, are very active Rotarians also. Mr. Ravi Shinde's fuel station outlet was the first IOC fuel station outlet in Mumbai that installed a solar photovoltaic power plant way back in 2014 when the basic concept of solar was in its nascent stage. The 24 kilowatt solar power plant was later enhanced to 35 kilowatt, and this plant installed by Mr. Ravi has brought down the expenses on his energy bills and of course contributed to the environment and society. How? Well, we will know more about this from Mr. Ravi Shinde himself. Ravi ji, we are so glad you could take time out for us from your busy schedule and you're here today. I will start with a basic question, a very common question that comes to everybody's mind when we hear that the plant was installed in 2014. That time the cost was high. People were not really aware about a solar power plant. So what prompted you to go solar?
Well, Jyoti, that was a question very much in my mind in 2014. And I would be really failing in my assumption when I say that the idea germinated in one of our Rotary meetings.
Okay.
Me and Vandana both are seasoned Rotarians for quite some time. Both have been past presidents of our Ghatkopar club. And the idea of putting up solar came from one of the talk. Gentleman came and talked about solar.
Okay.
So that started, thinking about, can we do it? Can we do it? So in one of my petrol dealers meeting, I bounced out this idea with my co-petrol dealers. There were about 50, 60 of them. I was on the dais being the president. And at the end of the meeting, they said, are you crazy, Mr. President? Bombay में जहाँ electricity जाती नहीं है और गई तो थोड़े मिनटों में आ जाती है, और it is no big deal. So why are you thinking of investing? Because the amount you have said on the dais is so huge. And what are going to you gain out of it? You know, that also started going back onto the drawing board. मैं करूँ या नहीं करूँ? So I thought, and after all these calculations, I said, yes, this is an initial investment, but back of the envelope calculation अगर आप करो, the electricity bill which I was paying every month was pretty high, to say the least. And I knew that if it is going to work, let me give it a try. I know that time I did not have many people to go and ask them कि भाई कैसा चल रहा है आपका power plant या किस तरह से आप कर रहे हो. So being a pioneer, these are the things when you have to deal with yourself and your own nightmares. But I went ahead with me. My wife was fully with the idea that let us go ahead with that. But she said, let's do it to start a small way. I said, that will not give me that satisfaction of achieving the results what I have. So we went ahead, 2014. We installed about 86 solar panels, giving 24 kilowatt. And as the months went ahead, I started seeing the fruits of my labor, you can say. Initially, वो समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि भाई ये ग्रिड में इतनी पावर जो मैं दे रहा हूँ उसे मुझे कितना फायदा हो रहा है. But down the line, 3 months, I could establish, yes, this is really paying me. My efforts are paying. And this was noticed by my oil company, Indian Oil Corporation. The news went straight up to the director marketing at that time. And he said, this is exactly we are trying to promote across India. And here you have taken a bold step, what we has been playing in our mind. And he came and inaugurated that solar plant. And honestly, there was no looking back. I became so very dependent on my solar. I installed intelligent reporting of that, which gives me a data on my mobile phone. आज दिन में कितना जनरेशन हुआ है, कितने यूनिट्स मेरे जनरेट हुए. I know related to that unit how much I am saving. So honestly, for a businessman, saving is your income. देखा जाए तो.
Very true.
तो उसी तरह से वो चलता आ रहा है. And so much so that I said, okay, given that success, why don't I expand it? और फिर 2 साल पहले I increased it from 24 kilowatt to 36 kilowatt. And I'm still happier.
Great. Indeed, a very bold step. Again, I would say 2014, talking about solar, hardly people knew about it. Before we move ahead, we will play a small video of the solar rooftop plant that Ravi ji has on his petrol pump. So can we have the video, please? That was awesome.
Yeah, nicely made video.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I would like to know 2014 में जब आपने plant लगाया, नेट मीटरिंग की पॉलिसीज भी नहीं थी, अवेयरनेस लोगों की तो छोड़िए, गवर्नमेंट के पॉलिसीज में भी ज्यादा कुछ क्लैरिटी नहीं थी. तो व्हाट वर द चैलेंजेस दैट यू फेस्ड, if any, during that time, sir, for the installation?
Yes, many challenges. सबसे पहले तो we wanted to make sure that our structure, RCC structure था कि it is going to withstand all the weight of the solar panels as well as the infrastructure. तो वो भी था. और जैसे कहेंगे challenges immediately आ गए. Even before the solar panels arrived, our superstructure was coming up, and in came the BMC team. That stop work notice, आप इस किस तरह से ये बना रहे हो, परमिशन दिखाइए. बस सोलर के लिए तो हमारे मोदी जी से लेकर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, everybody is promoting why there is any permission required. If you want a stability certificate, if you want Indian oil certificate, that's I'm ready to give. But you know, those are the challenges. But I can only say that we have to be sure when you are going into any solar system rooftop, you ought to be wary of this fact that everything is in place. As I'm told that not big permissions are required, you have to just inform the authorities, see that the structure is stable, and you can go ahead with solar. But easier said than done. It stalled my project for almost more than a year when I started. And after a lot of heartburn, to cut the long story short, we did install 86 solar panels, and here I am today, very happy that पेट्रोल पंप पर से ऐसा होता है कि जहां आपका अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जाती है, एवरीथिंग स्टॉप्स, एवरीथिंग. सी, घर में दुकान में कहीं लाइट चली गई तो आप चलो मोमबत्ती जला लिया है ना, या टॉर्च जला लिया, तो यू कैन कैरी ऑन योर बिजनेस. Petrol pump is such a thing where there is a horsepower, where we have 3-phase motors, we have automatic car washing machines, we have compressors, we have car lifts, we have dispensing units which are working on a high consumption of electricity. Everything comes to a standstill. You can't do a business a little bit also. Correct. So this idea of solar had a two-pronged thing, whether I should go for on-grid and whether I should have a battery backup for storage. So पर it dictated my mind कि बंबई में जैसे दोस्तों ने कहा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जाती नहीं है, let us have on-grid system. And then that really clicked very well. That it was my electricity bills going southwards, and I could see that this idea was working. I started talking about it to my petrol dealers, and few of them have converted, but not to the extent which I would want them to. That is the reason of these programs like what you are doing now, to spread awareness. अभी भी लोगों को डर लग रहा है, अभी भी दिल में कहीं ना कहीं कुछ सवाल है, कहीं ना कहीं वो पैसा खर्चा करने का इनिशियल कॉस्ट, वो झिझक है, उसको निकालना बहुत जरूरी है.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. In fact, not just the initial cost, we also जब हम solar plant की बात करते हैं, we talk about a life of a solar plant being almost 25 years. Of course, with the degradation that has to be considered while doing the calculations, कितना generation हो रहा है and all that things have to be considered. कि every year there has to be some degradation in the efficiency of the panel. Your power plant is almost 6 years old now. आपका क्या observation रहा है regarding the efficiency and the units that are getting generated, sir, from your plant?
Yes, उसमें भी दो पहलू हैं. क्या हुआ कि whoever wants to put a solar plant, wherever he wants to put a solar plant, he has to be sure कि आप किस पार्टी से डील कर रहे हो. Who are the service providers? Their transparency, their efficiency, and most of important their honesty. Why I'm saying that that the party, it is a Delhi party which installed a solar system, petrol pump ke, it was also their first at a petrol pump. Okay. But down the years I came to know कि जो inverter है, which is heart of any solar system, that was a very age-old inverter, and it required a bank of batteries to even power it. and the efficiency was also very low. It was bigger than a Godrej cupboard, or it required a cooling day and night. So this I took it कि भाई ऐसा ही होता होगा, not knowing, being a जब पहला uncharted path पे जाते हो, you don't know your turn left or right. And then somebody told me, Ravi, everything is fine with your system, but the inverter is something which is going to restrict your conversion from DC to AC, and that is going to tell on your entire system. So then again had to take a call that okay, इतना costly inverter है, तो discard करो और फिर एक hybrid या जो भी solid state inverter install करो, which is just like एक water heater की size का था, and installed 35 kilowatt. And that took care of my additional solar panels, which I installed later on. It became, I think, 112, 114 solar panels right now. So these are the learning lessons which I want to tell anybody who is going into the solar system, that have the transparency and the honesty of the party you're dealing with, and should be okay, because this is the in thing now. And as you just said that India is going to pioneer the solar revolution. Here we are, and we are taking the lead.
Right. Very important point what Ravi ji has just mentioned for the benefit of our viewers. Please be careful about the quality of the components and the kind of components that are being used. As Ravi sir just mentioned, the inverter is a very, very important component of the plant. Actually, each and every component is very, very important. But then you have to be very careful of the components that are being used. Of course, for somebody who is solar is still a new technology, even after so many years it coming into India. Still, people are not aware. So I would suggest my viewers, whoever are listening to us, that try to check into as much as you can. A lot of information is available on the net also before you go in for solar. And yes, as Visol Renewable Energy always says, we are very, very particular about the quality of the components that we use. Thank you for that insight, Ravi sir. Moving to the next question, Bombay ki barish, has it affected the performance of your power plant, sir?
Well, मुझे भी ये डर था कि सोलर पावर, मतलब जब सूर्य देवता प्रसन्न होंगे तो मुझे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिलेगी, और जब वो छुप जाएंगे बादल के पीछे तो मुझे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं मिलेगी. This was my assumption, and nobody had cleared that, and it was a pleasant surprise during the thick of the monsoon. बिल्कुल dark clouds होने के बावजूद I was getting 30% of electricity, and I could see it on my mobile phone. So then when I did some more research, that yes, indirect light also, it's a photovoltaic. In fact, it is not the direct sunlight. Of course, it is always good. But if it is not there, even I'm told कि रात को moonlight also can give you certain amount of electricity. It is, after all, it is a reflected sunlight. So this was a revelation to me. तो बारिश हो या ना बारिश हो, of course एक अच्छा काम कर देती है बारिश की. मेरे रूफटॉप के सोलर पैनल बहुत अच्छी तरह धो देती हर रोज. So that's a plus point. But otherwise, definitely monsoon may expect a reduction of electricity generation. But that is supposed to be there, being a name itself suggests it's a solar power plant.
Right, right. आपने बात की मेंटेनेंस की, बारिश धो देती. I was just coming to that point. The next question was about the maintenance of the power plants. How have you maintained it so that it is giving you a proper and efficient generation?
Yeah, this is something every place would have a different kind of an arithmetic to it. Because my petrol pump, and वो गाड़ियों का आना जाना, trucks का आना जाना, motorcycles का, main road से लगा हुआ, तो there is a lot of dust generation, which goes up in the air and settles on your solar panels. And जब तक आप वो solar panels clean नहीं रखोगे, you are not going to get that clean energy which you have been desiring for. तो उनको साफ रखना एक जिम्मेदारी है. But being an engineer, automobile engineer हो, mechanical engineer हो, मशीनरी कहते हैं तो मेंटेनेंस आती है, मेंटेनेंस आती है तो स्पेयर पार्ट आते हैं, स्पेयर पार्ट आता है तो एक्सपर्टीज आती है, उसके साथ फिर आपकी ट्रेनिंग आती है. I'll tell you, everything is not required in solar plant, because for a simple reason, there is no moving part. कुछ हिलता नहीं है. सूरज महाराज अपनी रोशनी देते हैं. सोलर पैनल्स, उसका फोटोवोल्टिक मोनोक्रोमैटिक, वो आपको डीसी करंट देता है और थ्रू द स्ट्रिंग ऑफ योर पैनल्स गोज टू इन्वर्टर. वो इन्वर्ट करके आपको एसी करंट देता है जो जाके सीधा ग्रिड में पहुंचता है और आपकी कंजम्पशन को पूरी करता है. I was surprised when I was just reading few days back, Jyoti, ki there is a city, Daman and Diu wali city.
Yes.
Diu city is totally 100% is on solar power. दिन का पूरी requirement उस शहर की is इंडिया का पहला है जो पूरी सोलर पावर उसको देती है पूरे शहर को. तो ये अगर एक शहर कर सकता है, बहुत सारे लोग अपने घर पे रूफटॉप कर सकते हैं, फैक्ट्रीज पे कर सकते हैं, सोसाइटीज के रूप पे कर सकते हैं. सो आई एम रियली सरप्राइज कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा है ये रिवोल्यूशन, क्यों नहीं आ रही है. तो लेट्स होप इन द फ्यूचर थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू इम्प्रूव, बिकॉज अगर देखो हिस्ट्री में दिस इज द राइट टाइम टू गो इनटू दिस सोलर सिस्टम. द कॉस्ट ऑफ द photovoltaic cells or आपके solar panels have come down. They have stabilized. The inverter also, everything has been stabilized. Now you can actually tell what is going to be the per kilowatt rate. मुझे क्या लगने वाला है. And with that, with thumb rule, you can go ahead without any hesitation. And ऐसा उससे कहीं cheap मिलेगा, उसकी अभी गुंजाइश ही नहीं रह गई है.
Right. So I was talking about Daman and Diu. Just to add to that, few years ago, there is no hydropower plant या कुछ ऐसा thermal power plant that is there in Daman. So all the energy that they require, it was being imported from the neighboring states, mostly Gujarat, Rajasthan. They were importing from these two states, and of course, paying for that. They were supposed to pay for that. Now they are ready to. They are self-sufficient in electricity thanks to solar power that they have. They are using now. And maybe sometime down the line, they will be exporting it to other states also. So that was a good information, sir. Electricity bill, I was seeing in the presentation that we had earlier, which mentioned that your bills have gone down to 40,000 to 65,000 per month. Solar के बारे में, whenever people think about solar, कितने पैसे लगेंगे and then कितने पैसे बचेंगे is what comes to their mind. So tell us about the savings that you have been able to achieve, sir.
Yeah, that was a revelation that जब मैंने electricity bill देखे और पहले के bill से compare किया, so I immediately reflected that this is less than even 50% मेरे bills जो आ रहे हैं. And I had assumed कि मेरा pay over period जो होगा investment return का, वो 5 साल तो कम से कम लगेंगे. वो मुझे इवन हमारे जो सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स ने बताया आपको 5 साल लगेंगे भाई आपका पैसा वापस आने के लिए. And it was even less than 4 years when I realized that I have already got all the investment what I have done. और वो भी investment उस time की 6 साल पहले, जबकि per kilowatt used to be like 1 lakh rupees per kilowatt. So I spent about 20 to 24 lakhs for 24 kilowatt station. जो आज के दिन में तो उससे भी कम है, काफी कम है मेरे हिसाब से. So it came down to less than 4 years and I was back with my system giving full potential and I was earning from it. As I said to my petrol dealers कि अगर आपको environment की दृष्टि से ना भी देखो कि तुम कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हो as a green energy और pollution भी कम हो रहा है आपके इस काम से, आप as a businessman सोचो इसको डालने के बाद what is the return on your investment, and then you will make sure that yes, this is the right venture instead of going into any other business. I know in Germany there are solar farms. People sit at home and earn lakhs and lakhs of rupees just by the solar farms they have. So this is what can be done, that use it as a business tool to see that your costs go down. हमारे पेट्रोल पंप पे सबसे ज्यादा कॉस्ट क्या रहती है? सैलरीज की, दूसरी रहती है इवेपोरेशन लॉसेस की, और थर्ड द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट इज हमारी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू रिड्यूस योर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देन आई थिंक योर कमीशन व्हाट इज ऑलरेडी अ बहुत ही स्लिम कमीशन रहता है, दैट गेट्स इम्प्रूवमेंट बिकॉज योर कॉस्ट गो डाउन.
Great. So you reached your break even within 4 years, sir, right?
Yeah, less than 4 years.
Super. That means your plant is performing, I mean, with the kind of investment that you have done and then getting payback in within 4 years. आज की डेट में तो investments have come, the required capital that is required for setting up the power plant has come down to almost 50% what you have mentioned. So I'm sure the break even would be much less, 50% of what, sir, you have achieved. Great.
Exactly. तो बहुत अच्छा है कि जिस कॉस्ट में मैंने मारुति लिया था अभी उसी कॉस्ट में आपको मर्सिडीज मिल रही है. So that's a great thing to do. If the cost has come down so much, it's something which ought to be done not tomorrow, today.
Right. 2 years back, sir, you increased the power plant size. You added another 11 kilowatt or so to it and made it 35 kilowatts, right?
Yeah.
So what was the main, was it the savings that you were achieving from the power plant? What was it basically that prompted you? And any upgradation in the technology that you noticed compared to the plant that was being installed in 2014 and 2 years ago, the plant that was installed?
Yeah, basically the solar panels I had installed at that time were 300 watt panels. Okay. Or the new panels which I've installed are 350 kilowatt panels. And despite the power, enhanced power, the cost had come down. So वो एक the technology change थी जो होती है हमेशा ही होती है कि you get a better performance at a lesser cost. That applied to solar panel also. And I said about my inverter that that was one game changer for me. This is a wonderful and beautiful smart inverter which was not there earlier. That also gave me a lot of support. And at the same time, I said I've got a winner on my hand. जब मैं इतनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सेव कर रहा हूँ और मुझे पोटेंशियल है मेरे रूफटॉप में और जगह है, सो क्यों नहीं. सो दैट वाज द आइडिया कि ओके सो एक्सपैंड योर इंटरेस्ट into expanding the network of solar panels. And I could do it. So आज के दिन में 35 kilowatt जो peak hour में मुझे मिल रहा है, I know that over the period of 6 years हमारे existing जो 86 panels थे, they have slightly downgraded. So increasing the panels will take care of that, offset the degradation, but give me that power what I require from the solar.
Great, great. Sir, we always talk about solar plant going green is what is always associated with the term solar energy. We would like to know how has your power plant, you think, has contributed to the environment and also to the society at large, sir?
Yeah, being a Rotarian, this always is on the uppermost of our mind कि हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं. I'll give you slightly off the track कि ऐसे ही एक रोटरी मीटिंग में हमारी एक स्पीकर ने बात की थी about the rainwater harvesting. And then I said, okay, my new petrol pump structure is under redevelopment. Let me install it. So वो दिन है और आज का दिन है कि I have installed rainwater harvesting and about मेरे स्टेशन पे about 20-25-30 गाड़ियाँ हम लोग wash करते हैं. And I'm very happy to tell you that not a single water drop is used from the BMC water or from the tanker water. Everything is being contributed by the rainwater which being collected in a ring well. और पूरा साल मुझे वो चलता है. So you know this kind of a thing, if you start thinking in that way, वही बात हुई solar के बारे में कि how the solar can definitely save so much electricity bill. उसके अलावा जो social angle है कि मुझे इसी ने बताया जो हमारे सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है कि रवि साहब आपने जो बताया है जो लगाया है इस वक्त, it is going to otherwise power 20 village houses. जो आपकी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक पेट्रोल पंप पे आप जो जनरेट कर रहे हो, तो सोचो कि बंबई के बाहर आप जाते हो, कितना भी गवर्नमेंट कहे, there is hardly much electricity. Okay, there are power lines have been laid, बहुत कुछ हुआ है देश में, पर अभी तक वो लास्ट माइल कनेक्टिविटी अभी तक हुई नहीं है. और अभी तक घर में दिया नहीं जल रहा है, वही केरोसिन का दिया या मोमबत्ती जल रही है. तो वहाँ अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अगर हम यहाँ बचा सके, वही इलेक्ट्रिसिटी गांव में जाएगी, खेतों में जाएगी, पंप सेट्स चलेंगे, तो ये सब चीजें हमको अच्छी लगती है। चलो मैंने इतनी सेव कर दिया, कोई ना कोई तो ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अभी यूज कर रहा है, तो ये एक सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि गांव में ये अभी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हमारे इससे बच सकेगी। एंड बीइंग एन ऑटोमोबाइल इंजीनियर, और एक उसमें एंगल है जो आपने भी शायद नहीं सोचा होगा, कि हम एक ऐसे कगार पे खड़े हैं ज्योति, जहाँ ये 4 स्ट्रोक इंजन या फिर आईसी इंजन, जिसको हम गाड़ियां कहते हैं आज के दिन में, स्कूटर्स, मोटरसाइकिल्स, कार चल रही हैं। यू हैव ऑल हैव हर्ड अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स। सो ये इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स जो अभी आने वाली हैं, उसके लिए इंडिया तैयार नहीं है। आप कहेंगे कि नहीं, इंडिया के पास टेक्नोलॉजी है, गाड़ी बना लेगा। हाँ जरूर, कल बना देगा वो गाड़ी, पर वो गाड़ी कहाँ तक जाएगी? वो जैसे ही मुंबई के बाहर जाएगी, जैसे ही बड़े शहर छोड़ेगी, उसको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कहाँ मिलेगी? उसको पावर करने के लिए इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लगेगी। तो ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तभी आ सकती है जब यहाँ बचाओगे और सोलर पावर को जहाँ प्रमोट करोगे, आपको वहाँ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिलेगी। तो इलेक्ट्रिक कार for the horse is laid before the cart, we ought to have electricity across the country, and then only we can think about electric vehicles. और वही बात हो रही है कि हमारे इंडियन ऑयल में चर्चा हो रही है कि बम्बई में हम इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल का चार्जिंग स्टेशन किधर लगाए। मैंने बताया, आई एम ऑलरेडी रेडी, आई हैव गॉट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी विच इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। सो द लाइन इज थिंकिंग अबाउट इट कि पेट्रोल पंप के ऊपर आपकी चार्जिंग स्टेशन होंगे, आपके बैटरी स्वैपिंग स्टेशन होंगे, उन सब के लिए आपको सोलर लगने वाला है। बिकॉज द कॉस्ट ऑफ द कमर्शियल या इंडस्ट्रियल जो पावर आपको मिल रही है, दैट इज एट अ वेरी एक्सॉर्बिटेंट कॉस्ट।
Very expensive, yes.
Yes, very expensive.
Sir, I am so impressed. I mean, we all talk about बड़ी बड़ी बातें, environment को बचाना है, rain water harvesting करनी है, green जाना है, but you have adopted it so nicely and so comfortably in your way of life. You are such a very very I would say such an inspiration for so many of us, sir. Really, very impressed, sir. Jate jate, sir, what would be your message to people who want to go solar? Not just solar, I would say, who want to go green. What would be your message, sir?
मैं तो ये कहूँगा कि जब भी मुझे मौका मिलता है, एवरी फोरम, मैं इसका जरूर बैंड बजाता हूँ कि ये इसके लिए कि अवेयरनेस आनी चाहिए। And to an extent कि even I have told my senior people that anybody who wants to come and have a first-hand look at the station, because जो भी आना चाहेगा वो देखना चाहता है कि भाई ये फिजिकली कैसे दिखता है, उसके परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन या जो भी लगने वाला है वो सब किस तरह से है। So the person goes around with that person on the rooftop, shows him the solar panels, shows him the wiring, shows him the inverter. तो इस तरह का ओपन मेरा इनविटेशन है। रवि ऑटोमोबाइल में कभी भी आइए, आपको मैं जरूर दिखाऊंगा कि ये बारिश का पानी, जो भी बारिश हो रही है, वो मेरे पूरे साल को किस तरह से मुझे पानी देने वाला है। आई विल शो देम द सर्किट, आई विल शो देम द फिल्ट्रेशन प्लांट, आई विल शो देम द रिंग वेल। वैसे ही आपका सोलर प्लांट विच इज ऑब्वियसली सीन फ्रॉम द रोड इटसेल्फ, पर वो किस तरह से काम करता है। मैं बॉयज आर अडेप्ट एंड दे नो एनीबडी कमिंग फॉर देम, दे हैव टू स्पेयर टाइम। आइए, आप देखिए, एंड आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी।
Sir, pata chala people are just holding to come to your power plant and the rain water harvesting system that you have installed. I mean, I hope people come. That would be so nice. I mean, people getting inspired by such little deeds. It is going to make a lot of difference. आप जैसे कह रहे हैं, you are not using the BMC water. You are getting so much of electricity. Seriously, if everybody starts adopting these small measures, it is really going to make a very, very huge difference to the Indian economy as such. Summarizing, it was a very, very, very informative. मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही impressive session था. I was so impressed by you again, I will say, sir. Solar के बारे में people have, even if they know about solar, a lot of people still have hiccups. Investment करना होगा, will I get the returns or not? Will maintenance be a hassle? What kind of technology? Please, whoever is listening to us at this point of time, friends, कुछ hassle नहीं है. It is a very, very good source of energy. It is the requirement of the day in terms of energy cost, in terms of environment, in terms of social contribution that we can make from our end. So please go solar. Take inspiration from Ravi sir.
और एक
Yes, sir.
जो तो कहना चाहूंगा कि even though हमारे महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट has been slightly late in waking up, but ये net metering आया है. So net metering is another issue which people who are thinking of putting up a solar plant. So despite your own requirement of electricity, you can sell your electricity to Adani. पहले का Reliance हुआ करता था और हम कहते थे Reliance हमें इतना ज़्यादा power दे रहा है इतनी cost पे. Now I'm going to sell my electricity to Reliance and feel good about it. तो ये net metering आपको एक काबिलियत देता है कि आप अपनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ग्रिड को वापस देके उसका क्रेडिट ले सकते हो.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Actually, net metering की वजह से, in fact, we have also had customers who are getting electricity bill 0 per month. उनका bill 0 आ रहा है, thanks to going solar. Yes, an initial investment is there, but you, as sir said, you get the payback. With his investment, he got it in 4 years. Today, the costs have come brilliantly, very, very less. You get the returns very, very easily within 2 to 3 years. So thank you so much for all the solar insights that you have shared with us. You have a very busy schedule. You took time for us. And I hope all the information that sir has shared with us today helps our customers go green, go solar. Thank you once again, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Pleasure,
Thank you,
Jyoti.
everyone.
Pleasure.
Namaste.